Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I have in the latest Fat Quarter bundle from Fat Quarter Shop. Now this is one of their monthly clubs. I subscribe to a couple of them. It's either the Lori Holt or the Moda. I'm not quite sure. It kind of feels heavy. I'm wondering if maybe I ordered something else and I think that this is my Fat Quarter bundle, but it's not. We'll see. Let's check it out. All right, you guys. So after I was really thinking about it, it feels like it might be a little bit heavier. So we're going to have to, oh, no, it's a Fat Quarter bundle. Okay, I haven't lost my mind. Oh, it's the new Moda. Okay, you guys, this is called Laguna Sunrise, and it's by Sherri and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics. Now, this is one that they're curated by Fat Quarter Shop, but it is all Laguna Sunrise. So this is their newest bundle. It is so super cute. So if you see it on the Fat Quarter Shop's website, it's listed as Laguna Sunrise Petite Fat Quarter Bundle. Sometimes they do have extras, sometimes not. It just depends on the grouping. So let's take a look. Now this is Sherri and Chelsea's newest line, and I'm so excited to get hands on it. They had that last line called Strawberry Lemonade that was super vibrant and fun, and I feel like this is kind of the way that they're moving right now, and it really has a lot of fun colors to it. So this first print is going to be all flowers. We've got a orange, red, and kind of a lilac color flower with some X's between. And then this feels very Sherri and Chelsea to me. It's really vibrant. It has all the colors probably of this whole line kind of mixed throughout. So we've got yellows and blues and lilacs and gray and orange. And I would almost call that like a cantaloupe color. Oh, that's fun. What a cute little print. So it's got the circular pattern with the different flowers, but definitely not directional. So you can do whatever you need to there. I love it when they're not directional. And now we've got another floral. I think the whole theme of this group is going to be really floral. So purple is mixed in with a lot of the different color waves that they've got. That's kind of that cantaloupe as the background color. Now that's fun. I don't know why I've been into oranges lately. I think maybe because it's Halloween time and I've been working on a bunch of Halloween colored quilts, but that's fun. So we've got some red pinwheels, an orange pumpkin kind of background, and then a couple of like little almost holly berries. And then this is, yeah, it's like, I feel like I just saw that. So the same print, but in reds. So we've got like a, I think that's the same color, pink, peach, and then a white flower with the X's between. And then this is that same bigger floral print. So instead of having the big reds, where'd it go? Instead of having the big red flowers, it's kind of got the big orange, and then the red is the background flower color. Red is the background color. And then our green pinwheels with a really bright green background. Is that color called chartreuse? Somebody help me out here. I feel like that color could be called chartreuse. It's really bright. And then our same circular pattern again with our flowers. Now this is all monochrome, as where the other one had a couple different layers of color in it. This one is just the white with the background color. So a little less busy, if you will. And I like this. Just kind of a small ditzy print. Kind of go in any quilt. It's got teal, so you had me at hello with a teal color. And then our purple florals. Kind of looks like a little daisy print. And then I have a feeling that this is going to be a very popular binding for this grouping, because this is on the diagonal. It's a cute little stripe, and that's going to be a lot of fun. So I will get some close-up pictures of these for you guys. All right, so that's our Moda September box. I'm really excited to sew this one out. It's the first time I've had a chance to lay hands on the Laguna Beach fabrics. They're definitely brighter than I typically reach for, but again, that's kind of the beauty of this, is it really pushes you to get outside of your normal wheelhouse and try something new. And oftentimes I start to sew with somebody's groupings and I'm like, all of a sudden I'm in love with the fabric that I didn't quite think I was going to be to start. So all that to say, give it a chance, even if it's not exactly your jam, because I guarantee you when you finish the project, you probably are going to have a slightly different opinion. So if you like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, definitely hit that like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.